When we first moved to the US, my biggest fear was that there would be a school shooting at one of my kids' schools. There are generations of kids now who have been brought up with active shooter drills and parents right behind them who pray as they drop their kids off that today won't be the day that there will be a shooting at their kids' school. I remember growing up with my dad, who's an avid gun collector. He used to take us to gun shows all the time. When he wanted to purchase a gun, he had to show his gun license. There are serious background checks he had to go through in order to have the right to have this firearm. It doesn't make sense that my kids had to go through a full year of driver's permit with me or another adult sitting in the car with them before they were even allowed to test for their driver's license. And any kid can walk into any gun show or shop and buy a gun that can mow people down in a minute? Canada does have an assault weapons ban. There are over 1,500 military-style guns that cannot be bought on the regular market. You cannot buy an AR-15 or their upper receivers. And yet, Canadians still enjoy their guns. They go skeet shooting, they go to target practice, they go hunting if that's what floats their boat, but they do it with common sense gun laws already in place. I love this country, and I am so proud to be a citizen. But these are common sense laws. And I know there are a whole slew of you out there with common sense.